So do you like home tours and a good DIY? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my new office and show you a quick DIY that you can do on a Dollar Tree budget. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Organize to Save, and today we are in my new office. I am so excited, so thrilled. I absolutely am loving this space, and I'm so excited to be able to finally show you guys. So I've been kind of hinting at this over on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys actually said that you wanted to see a little tour. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. And then also I have a quick little DIY that I want to show you guys as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and let me show you my space. I am so thrilled with this space, you guys. So I want to just take you around, but let's start with a quick hack. If you want to make your room look really tall, make sure to hang your curtains at the very top of your ceiling, so that way it makes your room look really tall. This is my new mirror, which I absolutely love the look of it. I love the simple lines of it. This wall behind me, I'm still working out the details of what I want to be up here. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any good ideas for this wall, because I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm absolutely loving my new desk space. For me, light is a big factor in my productivity and my happiness overall. So I really wanted to have my desk right in front of the window so that way I could have the light shining on me all day long. And it's been a game changer as far as being able to get stuff done. And it's also been really nice to have light in here so that I can film videos for you guys. But I love this desk. I love having all of the open space on the top where I can sit here on the computer editing videos or working on my iPad in my digital planner, and I'm just absolutely loving this. Let me know down in the comments below what your guys' interest is in digital planners, because there may be something coming in the future. The left of my desk, I have just a little gallery art wall, and inside of it I have just a couple art pieces from a girlfriend, and then I also used just some Dollar Tree greenery that I had left over from the DIY that I'm going to show you here in a little bit, but I just threw them in this frame and it just helps bring a nice little green touch. But having artwork up on the wall is a big inspiring motivator. It just helps get the creative energies flowing. And then this plant, you guys, I am in love with this little plant. I love to have greenery in the house, but I, for one, do not have a very good green thumb. I do okay with outside stuff for the most part, but I really wanted to have something green in this office, and I knew probably a fake plant would honestly be the best way for me to do it. So I found this one on Amazon. Again, I'll leave it linked down in my little shop down below in the description, but this one fit perfectly in the office. It's about 4 feet tall, so it's the perfect size for me, and it actually looks fairly realistic, and for the price point, it was a great buy. The basket that the tree is in is from Target, but I actually found a much cheaper one for you guys on Amazon that I have linked down in the description. And I love these little baskets because it just brings an extra little boho vibe to the room. This corner, I think, is my absolute favorite corner. But before we get there, I want to talk to you guys about this rug. This rug is so amazing, and it was on sale from Wayfair for like $65 or something ridiculous. I will leave it linked down below. They have all different sizes, but it is a very soft texture. It's actually a decent thickness, and I really love the pattern in it. So this sign is actually one that I made a few years ago. And then the little fig leaf plant I found at Target. And I also have my essential oil diffuser in here, which I'm absolutely loving. I love to be able to come in here in the mornings, set up my diffuser, and it just keeps me energized throughout the day. I wanted to add more greenery in this corner, so on the shelf you'll see some little vases, and these are actually from the Dollar Tree. I just filled them with some Dollar Tree moss and some little succulents that I got at Michael's in a pack. And this little bowl was also from the Dollar Tree. I love how it makes this corner feel so much more relaxing. The little ottoman was one that we had on hand previously. Down the road I may try to find something different. Right now it's a great place for me to rest my feet as I do my devotions. Speaking of devotions and quiet time, this area is where I love to spend all of my quiet time in the mornings. It's been so refreshing to be able to come here, sit down, pull out my devotional book, and just dive into the Word. So you want to see how I made these little DIY frames? Let me show you. For this DIY, you're going to need some greenery, which I got from the Dollar Tree, some white canvases. These ones I had on hand, but I have seen similar canvases there before, some pliers, and a hot glue gun. All you're going to do is go ahead and cut off the leaves that you want to use, and using your hot glue gun, secure them onto your canvas. Now you can layer the different leaves on top of each other like I'm doing here, and it makes for a really cool 3D effect. But I love the way that these turned out. It just brings another little boho vibe into the space on a Dollar Tree budget. So if you want to have a more productive morning, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, as it's going to walk you through a couple steps that you can do in order to have a productive start to your day. Till then, we'll catch you guys next time.